Welcome to Alone Business Channel.
This time we will rain actions. It is distributed free of charge to a limited number of people. Please try to use it. Add a new layer using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N. Name the layer Rain. Click on Reset Foreground and Background Colors to default. The shortcut is D. Fill it with black using the Alt and Delete key shortcuts. Convert to Smart Object. Change to Screen. Filter. Noise. Add noise. Amount 120. Uniform. Check monochromatic. Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Radius 2. Filter. Blur. Motion blur. Angle 80. Distance 80. Image. Adjustments. Curves. Edit the graph. Filter. Distort. Ripple. Amount -10. We have created an action. Click Load Action to load it. Just click to apply it. It is handy, and we hope you will find it helpful.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.